Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the videos useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll solve this problem using the concepts of linear combination. So as per the problem, determine the value of x such that the points A, B and C all lie on a plane that contains the origin. So we are given these 3 points A, B and C that lie on a plane and that also has the origin. So that means the vectors OA, OB and OC all lie in the same plane. So O represents the origin and A, B and C are the three given points. And vector OA will be equal to the given point A. Because vector OA represents the position vector for point A. And vector OB is equal to the given point B. And vector OC is equal to the given point C. So these three vectors lie in a plane. So that means one of these vectors can be written as a linear combination of the other two vectors. So we'll use that concept to solve for x. So we can write vector OC as a linear combination of vectors OA and OB because OC has x in it, so it will be easier to solve for x. So let's use the constants a and b. So our vector equation will be so we have to solve this vector equation. So we'll have to use scalar multiplication. So we'll multiply the first vector by a. So we'll multiply each component by a. And we'll multiply the second vector by b. Now we can add the two vectors on the left side. So negative a plus negative 2b is equal to negative a minus 2b. So we added the x component. Now we can add the y component. And now we can add the z component. Now these two vectors will be equal to each other if their x, y and z components are equal to each other. So we'll use this concept to write three equations for a and b. So our first equation will be for the x component. And the second equation is for the y component. And the third equation is for z component. So we'll use the first two equations to find the values of a and b. So we can rewrite these two equations. Now we can simplify our second equation by dividing each term by 3. So we can rewrite this linear system So this is a linear system with um, variables a and b. Now we can solve these two equations to find the values of a and b, and we can use the elimination method. So if we add these two equations, the a terms get cancelled out, and negative 2b plus b is equal to negative b, and negative 5 plus 2 is equal to negative 3, and we can divide both sides by negative 1. So b is equal to 3. Now we can solve for a by subbing in b as 3 in the first equation. We can add 6 to both sides. So I got a equals negative 1. So this is the final answer for a. Now we can sub in these a and b values in the third equation to find the value of x. So we get now we can simplify this expression. So 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. So this is the final answer for the value of x. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.